everyone, it's Bailey from Safe Stores, and today we will be unboxing Janome's Memory Craft 9410 QC, and I am so excited to show you what is included in the box. So in this video, I will be unboxing the machine as well as going over all of the accessories that the machine comes with when you purchase it. At a later video, after this video, you can also watch my demo on this machine, and that will be more in-depth on all of the different features as well as how the feet work, I guess you should say. The operation of the feet. There you go. So let's just jump right in and let's open this up and see what you get with it. Ta-da! And I'm gonna slide the box here so that you guys can see. Okay, so first order of business is going to be the manual. We love a good manual. It also comes with a foot control. Love that. That's a good one. Have to have that. It also comes with a second needle plate that has 1/8 markings on the bobbin cover, but it also has 3 holes on the stitch plate so that you can be in center, right, or left needle position. And this is included as well. Power cord, so we can turn it on. On the side here, you get this amazing cloth, or it's really like canvas, machine cover that is embroidered with Janome's name on it. This is a really nice cover and protects the machine from dust and sunlight and all the good stuff. I'll put that out there. That is beautiful. Next, we will go over the bag of feet that comes with this machine. And I'm gonna dump it out over here, and then I will show you one by one. So the first foot is going to be the clear free motion foot for quilting or darning. And it has lines on it for indication. And this is amazing because it is clear, so you can see your fabric, or if you're trying to trace something, you can see through it. So that's really nice, and that's for free motion quilting. This foot is one of my favorites because I'm a quilter. This is the 1/4 inch foot with a guide. So if you have your needle in the middle position, if you have your fabric lined up to this guide, it's a perfect 1/4 inch every time. It does come with that foot. Most machines don't. It also comes with a G foot, and the G foot is a blind hem foot, and that is also included, and that is a standard foot. This is the F2 foot. So there is an F1 and an F2. This is an open toe, so there is there's no hole for the needle to go in, and this gives you perfect visual for decorative stitches, your 9mm decorative stitches. This shows you where it's going, and you can see all the way up into the foot. This is amazing. We also have, so let me show you here just for comparison. So as you see, the F has the hole for the needle to go in. The F2 does not. It has a cutout. So it is an open toe. That is the difference. So F1, F2 comes with both. It also comes with a ruler foot. So this is so that you can do ruler work on the machine. This is a really nice foot for quilters that you can put your ruler up to the foot and make really cool designs. That is included. That's a really nice add right there. Next, we have the M foot. The M foot is the overcasting foot. So this is when you don't want to rethread your serger, or you don't have a serger, but you want to get an overcasting stitch that you see inside clothing. This machine can mock the serging stitch with this foot called the overcasting foot. And that is the foot, letter M. And then we also have we have our zipper foot. Janome zipper foot is amazing because it has 3 holes, and it's narrow. So you can go on the left side or the right side, but sometimes we don't move our needle over to get to the right side for our zipper. And sometimes we sew with our needle in the center position and it hits our foot and breaks. They've added a hole so that doesn't happen anymore. So that is really nice. Or you can stitch in the middle, whatever you want. Next is going to be the rolled hem foot. So this has a guide here to feed your fabric in, and it will roll it so you can do a rolled hem, and that is included. That's really cool. And then this, what is this? Sorry. Quilting foot. So this is a quilting foot, and this is the QC foot, and it's almost like a micro foot. It's just this little bitty thing, so you can do micro stippling, or you can get super, it's clear so you can see where you're going and you trace over things or get into tight spaces and make sure that you're not going into the wrong color of your fabric, because that happens sometimes. So that is the quilting foot. And then it also comes with an echo quilting foot. This is awesome because you can do echo quilting. So you can use the rings as measurement tools, so you can do equal line quilting in circles around your quilt. So that's a really nice foot, and it is included as well. Last but not least, we have the button sew-on foot. So the T foot, this is the foot that you can sew on your buttons to your garments, and that is also included. There are a couple feet in the machine that I will go over, but I also wanted to show you, it does come with a jumper. This is nice. If you have really thick stuff, it helps the foot get up and over the big seams. So that is included. You also have a stylist. The stylist is for touching the screen, so you don't have to get your grease and oil on the screen itself. You can use the stylist. I use my finger, but you have a stylus as an option. I love Janome stylus because it's fine point. The other brands have like a fat tip on it, so when you're trying to hit something specific, it's a little difficult too. So also, as basic, you will get 3 spool caps, large, too small, and you also will get, oh, I missed a foot. So this, just like that quilting foot I showed you, this is a small quilting foot that is open toe. So micro stippling or following pattern. This is a quilting foot, and it is open. So that lives right there next to that one. You do get 5 bobbins, so you get all the bobbins included with it as well. You also will get an extra spool stand, and this is so if you want to do double needle quilting, or if you just your thread likes to be pulled off the spool a separate way, this is included in the machine as well. The last things are just spool caps, and this is a guide, and I'll go over that late in a second. More spool caps, needles. It does give you needles. You're going to need more than that. I hate to tell you. But you do get lifetime discounts when you purchase machines from us, but we will go over all that as well. Smaller spool cap, and then a seam ripper and a screwdriver. So, oh, and your little dust brush. So that is majority of the accessories, but I do know that they're hiding some feet inside the machine. So let's get this baby out and see what she has inside. Okay, so now that the machine is out of the box, there is 1 foot hidden in the machine tray here, and that is Janome's buttonhole foot. Janome's buttonhole foot is so special because it is automatic, which I will show in my demo because you just have to see it to believe it. But Janome listened to us garment sewers that work on like Carhartt material or minky or just very thick fabric. And we told them that when you have multiple layers of it, it slips. So they have added this stabilizer plate. So you actually insert your fabric between the two plates and squish it together so that you have tension on all layers that you're trying to sew through. And I will show the function of this foot in my demo video as well. Like I said, it is automatic and you have to see it to believe it. So that is all of the feet that included, as well as accessories. As far as the machine goes, you can see here that it has multiple stitches, and I love Janome machines, all sorts of reasons. But one of the biggest reasons is one, this machine is auto tension. It also is auto presser foot pressure. So if you're going over like 8 layers of something and you know how your machine gets stuck and you really have to push or you have to pull it, well, this machine, when your foot hits that big jump, it will actually adjust how hard it's pushing on your fabric. And not only that, let's say you are going over 8 layers and your thread breaks and you can't see your thread up in here and you don't want to pull it, you never want to pull it this way. Janome exclusive, you can open, I'm at an angle, open the side of the machine. So for cleaning, for making sure you're threaded correctly, this is amazing. And Janome has really figured it all out. So auto tension, a bunch of stitches, full touchscreen, scissors, so it cuts, needle up, down, foot up, down, start, stop button, as well as the speed control, which is great if you're doing free motion or just trying to get used to the machine. You can slow the machine way down, or if you're a professional, you can get it all the way up. Another thing about Janome is a lot of brands will say that they have needle threaders. Yeah, they have a needle threader, but is it automatic? Most of the time not. And Janome truly does have an automatic needle threader, which I just adore because it works every time. And it actually, I'll show you in the demo video, but the threading mechanism actually pulls our thread up for us to the back. So the threading is so easy. And you also have, well, you have tape on it right now. But like I said, I'll go over it in the demo. But the threader is just a push, down, threaders down, push up. That's it. It's amazing. And like I said, I'll show you that in my video. So again, this is the Janome 9410. And we are running a crazy special on this machine right now. And we can ship it if you are not local. Free shipping and tax-free. So definitely give me a call if you have any questions about it. My name is Bailey, and I would love to help you find your next Janome because they are the best machines, and I will love to show you why.